What's up, what's up? How's everybody doing today? Pete dropped off the car last night in the dark. I didn't even get a chance to drive it. I've never driven the car. McLaren Matt is on his way here. He's gonna go through the whole car with me. I'm super excited. Let me tell you, it's very hard to get me excited because I can have any car I want. But this car, I built the colors and everything from scratch, the interior. So it's like my baby, and I'm super excited about it. Get pumped, get excited, because in life, when you create something that you really did on your own and you love and it stands out, like my Senna, it's a game changer. Nobody did the colors I did. A lot of people just go with what's safe. I never go with what's safe. I go with what's unique, original, and fits my personality. And this is what you have to do in life.
So they can see how high the top of the car is here.
Yeah. Got it in race mode.
It's at his knee.
Matt's here from McLaren giving you the rundown of the Senna.
It's crazy how loud it is.
Tell us a little bit about the car.
She is unbelievable. The Vega Blue is a victory, I think. She's magnificent with the orange accents. She's now sucked down into race mode, 50 millimeters lower, 200% stiffer than she was before. That normally requires removing the dampers and putting new ones on. McLaren being so advanced with their hydraulics and lower it without affecting the camber of the wheels. It's really a marvel of engineering. This splitter is putting air into the wheel area, pushing it down the side of the car, but keeping the air close to the side of the car. The air stays close to the car, you're more efficient through the air, and you have massive high-speed stability, giving you faster lap times because the car is more stable. This huge duct here cools a massive radiator that the other cars just don't have, and then it comes out through here. This becomes a Y shape, sending it around the side of the car. The main radiator is here, and because it has a huge vent out the back, the car operates at a much lower temperature than the E1 or the 675 in the collection as well. Really a triumph of design.
Taylor, that's all carbon. Check it out. That's not painted.
Matt, can you pop the wing up? Is there a way to pop the wing up?
Yeah, the wing pops up
When you brake.
when you brake. Hey, it's the first time we're going to take the Senna for a ride.
Let's do it.
St. Armand Circle. Are they ready for us or what?
Yep, start this bad boy up.
Are they ready?
It's definitely not glamorous to get in, that's for sure.
Oh man, your ass, you guys just slide it over.
All right, start this bad boy up. All right, my first time riding in a Senna. Howie's first time driving a Senna. So this is gonna be good for both of us. All right.
You too, man.
All right.
I love the glass in the doors. I love the glass in the doors. It's one of my favorite parts of the car.
What do you think?
It's insane. Insane.
I wish I could explain how it's actually very comfortable. The seats only weigh like 6 pounds, I think it is. Super comfortable. Massive wing. Glass above his head. Here's the start button.
Most exciting ride I've ever. I mean, everything's open. It's beautiful.
It's
The
super
engine
airy.
Sick.
There's
Yeah.
windows everywhere.
Yeah, you don't feel closed in at all.
This guy back here is like, what am I looking at? Look at this. These people are like, what am I looking
It's
at?
totally insane. We gotta do a Ritz-Carlton drive-by.
It looks so cool.
Dude, I love the fact that I chose leather for the interior. I
Yeah,
love leather.
the leather seats.
Leather's very rich.
So
Leather smells great.
I hope you guys can see some of these details. I mean, it's just incredible. I mean, even the floor mats are lined. It's crazy. This is the first car you've ever ordered, Howie. This is the first car you've ever spec'd.
First total customized car ever.
Wow. So, 10 years ago, what were you driving? In 2009, what were you driving?
I was driving a lifted Jeep.
So, lifted Jeep to Senna. That's
Yeah.
pretty good. Car is so bumpy, guys. I can't even describe to you how bumpy it is. I say bumpy because we're in track mode. It's made to be as stuck to the road as possible and give you as much feedback as possible, but it is vicious, viciously brutal rough riding.
They're so funny.
See? People just don't know what it is. Look at this guy smiling. I have never seen a car which gets as much attention as this, though. Every person that we pass is just like, what the?
Look at him, look at him.
Yep. Gotta do a drive-by to Howie's favorite place, Sarasota Ritz-Carlton.
How we doing, dude? Look at him. How you gonna drive?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
I knew it was you.
Huh? Sick, no?
Holy cow.
Hold on, we'll pull it up over
Yeah,
here.
put it in the sun. Put it in the sun so we can see it. That awkward moment when you forget the door handle's up here. It's up here.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, where'd you get this?
Here,
There
watch
it is.
out, watch out, watch out. I just got it yesterday.
They're 500 made. When you are accelerating really hard, flame shoots about this high out of the exhaust as well. You can see it in the rearview mirror. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Wow. Look at that blue in the sun.
Game over, dude.
That would be a good license plate.
Am I your way over here? Okay.
Just like P1 Pro. Game over.
Dude, the color in the sun is the best in the world.
So the orange is papaya spark, so you can see it has depth to
No,
it.
actually, it's a custom color.
Yeah, beautiful. Look at that blue.
Are you impressed?
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Howie, it's a different car in the sunlight, man. Different car in the sunlight. Totally different car in the sunlight. I really hope my camera picks this up. It's just beautiful. St. Armand Circle, Sarasota. What a beautiful day out for a drive. People are like, what is that thing driving? Looks like aliens have invaded Sarasota.
Should we pull up to the beach club?
Yeah, do it.
what's happening? Let me see if I have my card on me.
Nice car.
Thanks.
Once again, just the confused face. People are like, what am I looking at? Oh, this is cool. Check this out. Check out the reflection in a normal car. What are your thoughts, Howie?
Incredible. First drive in the Senna. My favorite.
So we're driving the Senna, and Howie's wearing a Senna. A Senna watch. Pretty cool. So here's something else we discovered with the Senna. The windows make no difference if they're down or up as far as sound goes.
But I love it as far as the airflow.
Yeah, I agree.
Amazing.
The Senna, people look at it with like a confused face because I don't think they know what it is, because it just looks like a UFO. I mean, it really is a UFO
It's
for the
very
road.
aggressive. The wing is the most aggressive wing on the road, for sure.
For sure. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see this behind me here, but all you see is a wing out the back. It's just crazy. The seats, you can see how much padding is on these seats, but they're actually more comfortable than they look, to be honest with you. You want to turn on variable drift control? You feel like drifting, Howie?
No.
Oh, this is super cool. So, track telemetry, look, press on the brake harder. Press on the brake harder. There's your braking force. Look at that.
Oh, I just killed my whole calf muscle on that.
So, there's our center of gravity, that tiny little orange dot right there. There's how much throttle he's giving it.
I didn't realize I could press on the brake that hard.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I
Super
thought that's hard.
Nope, that's halfway. There you go.
Oh my God,
That's
you
hard.
really got to push.
Oh yeah. So here's the tire pressures and tire temperatures. Look at that, 93 degrees the rear tires. The
Nothing.
tires are warmed up.
Yeah.
Cute. Start. So we created a track, and it'll track your distance, your speed, everything. Right now it's drawing out the track we're creating. How cool is that? So obviously we're just driving down a road, so it's just drawing a straight line, but it wants you to drive around the track once and then it'll show it on the screen. Super cool. Let's choose finish. There's the track.
It's so loud.
I know, right?
Why is it so loud?
No sound
So
ending.
loud, dude.
I love it though, don't you?
Oh my God, it's incredible. It's such a race car, it's ridiculous.
Mike Fluid and his team, I mean, they did an
They
amazing
killed it,
job.
they killed it.
All right, first drive in the Senna.